1. Pick a slim underlayer. Bomber jackets are already puffy. To make sure you keep your proportions in check, go for slimmer fitting layers underneath your jacket. Stay away from anything too thick, like puffer vests or fleece jackets. This depends on the fit of your jacket too. If your bomber jacket is oversized, you can probably get away with something a little bulkier underneath. 2. Try hoodie for a casual look. This is a classic layering piece for any casual situation. Throw on a hoodie, then pull your bomber jacket on top. Pair your look with jeans and sneakers to look both cool and sophisticated at the same time. Gray, white, and black hoodies go with almost any bomber jacket. Or, add a pop of color with your underlayer by adding a blue, red, or orange hoodie underneath. 3. Try a traditional look with a crewneck. Its slim collar mimics the shape of your bomber jacket. If a hoodie is a little too much under your jacket, go for a crewneck instead. Crewnecks are also slimmer, so it can help cut down on bulk. This is also a good option if your bomber jacket has a hood. Some newer, more modern styles do. 4. Grab a button-down for a business casual look. Your collar will just barely pop out of the jacket. Put on a plain button-down and throw your bomber jacket over it. Leave your jacket open so people can see your shirt and pair it with some dark wash jeans and boots. If you want to really play up the business casual aspect, add a tie too. If a button-down isn't your thing, try wearing a shirt dress instead. 5. Look sleek and stylish with a turtleneck. Keep your neck warm in the winter with this layer. Throw on a neutral colored turtleneck, then add your bomber jacket on top. Make sure the turtleneck sticks out of your jacket so everyone can see it. Try pairing this look with some slacks and boots for a sophisticated, chic look. Or, keep it more casual with jeans and a pair of high-top sneakers. 6. Try a sweater for a sophisticated outfit. Sweaters go well underneath suede or satin bomber jackets. Throw on a cozy cashmere or cable knit sweater, then pair it with your jacket on top. Add some jeans and boots or sneakers for a put-together look that you can wear almost anywhere. You could also dress this look up with a pair of trousers or slacks. 7. Add a fanny pack for a utilitarian look. This layer is both fashionable and functional. If you're running out of places to put your wallet or phone, throw a fanny pack over one shoulder so it crosses your chest. Throw your jacket on over it to look cool and modern. Try a black fanny pack for a more subtle look, or add a pop of color with a bright one. Pair this look with joggers and sneakers to stay sporty. 8. Try a thin scarf for a chic look. In the winter, a scarf can add a little extra warmth to your outfit. Knot a scarf around your neck and let the rest hang loose down the front of your jacket. If it gets cold out, simply zip your jacket to bundle up. Thin scarves, like cotton or silk, go best with bomber jackets since they don't add a ton of bulk. 9. Wear a few long necklaces to elevate your look. Satin and suede bomber jackets go great with jewelry. If your outfit is missing something, throw on a few long, chunky statement necklaces. Leave your jacket open so the necklaces hang down your front over your shirt. You could also pair your look with some long, dangly earrings. 10. Stick to classic color combinations. Dark colors always pair well with bomber jackets. Black, navy blue, gray, olive green, and burnt orange never go out of style, and they often pair well with classic bomber jackets. These colors are suggestions, not rules, but they can help you put together pieces quickly. Aim to make your bomber jacket the star of the show. Everything else you wear can be a little more muted. 11. Avoid logos and extra flares. If there's too much going on, it might be distracting. Avoid underlayers that are covered in logos or hardware. Instead, go for plain pieces that don't have a pattern, so you always look put together and cool. This is especially true if your bomber jacket has snaps or zippers on it already. Let your jacket stand out